Cradlebest Nursery and Primary School, where education meets excellence. Are you looking for a school that goes beyond traditional education? Look no further. Cradlebest Nursery and Primary School is here to provide your child with a world-class private education experience. Located in the vibrant Alegbedo area of Lagos, we stand as a beacon of excellence, setting the standard for other private schools in the region. At Cradlebest, we believe that education is not just about acquiring knowledge but also about instilling core values that shape well-rounded individuals. Our vision is to nurture and tender young minds in the fear of God, preparing them for dependable leadership roles in the future. We are dedicated to transforming lives and positively affecting generations to come. With a team of passionate and highly qualified educators, we strive to deliver the best care from the cradle, ensuring that every child receives personalized attention and support. Our curriculum is carefully designed to foster creativity, dedication, discipline, excellence, focus, and perseverance, core values that serve as the foundation for success in all aspects of life. As a school driven by the fear of God, we aim to instill moral values and ethical principles in our students. We believe that a strong moral compass is essential for developing responsible and compassionate individuals who contribute positively to society. At Cradlebest, we value each child's unique talents and abilities. Our holistic approach to education encompasses academics, arts, sports, and extracurricular activities, providing ample opportunities for students to explore their passions and unlock their full potential. We believe in fostering an environment that encourages critical thinking, problem-solving, and teamwork, ensuring our students are prepared to excel in an ever-changing world. We understand that choosing the right school for your child is a crucial decision. That's why we are committed to providing a safe and nurturing environment where your child can thrive. Our state-of-the-art facilities, including well-equipped classrooms, addiction training classes, music lessons with computer trainings, sports facilities, and a secure playground, create the ideal setting for learning and personal growth. At Cradlebest, we don't just provide an education, we create an experience that shapes your child's future. Join us today and be a part of a school that truly believes in the heritage of the Lord. Together, let's empower the next generation to become confident, compassionate, and successful leaders of tomorrow. Enroll your child at Cradlebest Nursery and Primary School, where education meets excellence. Contact us now to schedule a visit and discover how we can nurture your child's potential. Together, we'll build a brighter future.